Hi, this is Katrina with Plumsail, and I'm excited to introduce new Plumsail public web forms integration with Airtable. Now it is possible to automatically save data submitted through a public form directly into an Airtable database. In this video, we'll explore how to connect any Plumsail form to any Airtable database, how to use Airtable fields, including the attachment field. We'll also demonstrate how to edit Airtable fields using a form and other features. First, let's start by creating a Plumsail form. If you don't have an account yet, you can create a free one that includes 100 form submissions per month. So let's click on Create Form, and you have the option to create your own form from scratch, upload existing one, or choose from a wide variety of existing pre-made templates. As you can see, there are templates for applications, surveys, orders, and let's find the supplier registration form template. We can save the form first. And next, we need to connect this form template to an Airtable database. To do this, go to Settings and select the Airtable tab. The system will prompt you to connect to your Airtable account. As you can see, I'm already logged into mine, and I have selected the base that I want to work with. If you don't see the base you want to connect to in the drop-down menu, click on Grant Access and Add Base. And there you'll find it and connect it to the base that you want to work with. Now let's find the table that we want to connect to. We'll choose the supplier registration table. And finally, we can click Connect. After successfully connecting to Airtable, you'll have the option to allow editing records in the data table using the form. But we'll come back to this feature later in the video. Now let's take a quick look at the table I created in Airtable. As you can see, this table includes different types of fields, such as single-line text, long text, numbers, and attachments. Plumsail Forms supports most of the field types available in the table, including checkboxes, dates, currency, percentages, and others. Once the form is submitted, all data will be automatically saved in the table. Let's return to the Plumsail Forms editor. And our form template currently contains the default fields, and we will need to replace them with the ones from Airtable. All available Airtable fields can be found on the left side panel, and we can easily drag and drop them onto the form. This form template uses tabs container and will organize the fields under the corresponding tabs. Other layout options include grid, stack, wizard, and accordion. And now I'm going to replace the default fields with the ones from Airtable. I'll speed it up for you. Great, let's save the form. And now let's look at the field settings on the right-hand side. Business name is a single-line text field, and under the grid cell properties, you can adjust the alignment of the field inside the container. You can also define the columns property, where 12 is full grid and anything under occupies a smaller part of the grid. And you can also add padding on any side of the field. Next, let's look at the Airtable field properties. We can see name, title, and type. Under general properties, you can hide the field title, as well as change its layout. You can enable read only and required mode. There's also an option to include a hint and a description for the field. Under the pattern section, you can choose from the following options: anything, email, phone, numeric, alphabetic, alphanumeric, or custom. But we'll just leave it at anything. Next, you can select the width, font size, and color for both the title and the control itself. You also have the option to make them bold or italic. The settings for the number field are similar, but here you can also specify the minimum and the maximum range for the value. Next, let's change the pattern of the phone field to phone and email field to email. This form also includes an attachment field from Airtable. This attachment field can accept multiple files, and you can set a maximum file size, as well as restrict uploads to specific file extensions. For example, we can include .pdf or .docx, but we're not going to do it this time. And let's also add description to the attachment field. Please attach price list or catalog. Great, let's save the changes. Next, we're going to explore the theme settings for the form. Here you can choose a color scheme from a wide range of presets or create a custom one. Let's try different themes and see which color works best for us. This one is a bit too dark. Let's try the gray one. Again, a little bit too dark. Let's go back to the gray one. Additionally, you can further customize your form using CSS and JavaScript. Now let's explore the general form settings. Here you can easily change the form name, activate or deactivate submissions, and save submissions in your Plumsail account. But please note that if Save Submissions is activated, the submitted data will be stored not only in your Airtable database, but also in your Plumsail account. And this will occupy storage space in your account. So let's look at the storage meter. And storage space depends on your license plan. So I will disable saving submissions, as in our case, saving in Airtable is enough. Next, you can enable draft saving. However, please be aware that drafts are not saved in Airtable. Only after the form is submitted will the data be saved in Airtable database. We can also customize the thank you message that a user will see after the form is submitted. You can redirect users to a specific page after the form is submitted. For example, you can add your homepage link. Next, you have the option to hide the form after submission and set timeout before a user can submit another form. Additionally, you can configure the preferred time zone, language, and regional format. Forms are quite responsive by default, but you also have the option to design one specifically for a phone or tablet screen. Finally, you can easily import, export, or delete your forms. Next tab is sharing. You can either share your form via a link or embed it on a web page by copying the widget snippet. You can also restrict access to the form and allow only authenticated users. There are two options. You can set it up through either Microsoft account or other platforms like Google or Facebook using Azure AD B2C. Additionally, you can allow users to submit the form only once and restrict access to specific users or groups. Next is the Notifications tab, where you can customize who gets notified once the form is submitted. Also, you can add URL where the form data will be sent on submission, and connect your form with other apps through Power Automate or Zapier. Let's save and preview the form. The form looks good, but I'm not that happy with the field layouts. So let's go back and quickly change the form for a cleaner look. Okay, this looks much better. So let's test the form. I will be using the form URL. Let's go ahead and fill out the form. Okay, I'll attach the product catalog. Then click Submit Request. Now let's go back to Airtable database, quickly refresh the page, and as you can see, a new record has been created. But what about the product catalog? Yes, it's right here in the attachment field. That's great. So it's that easy to collect submissions and have them saved in your Airtable database. Now let's go back to Plumsail Forms and explore another great feature available with this integration. But you can use Plumsail Forms not only to populate tables with data, but also to edit existing records. To set this up, let's go to Form Settings and click on Airtable. Next, we need to turn on the Allow Editing Records feature, and this will generate a URL. So let's copy this link, save changes, and go back to Airtable. First, we need to add a new field. Let's call it Edit Record. The type can be either formula, or we'll go with button. In the label field, I'll enter edit. And let's also give it a different color. In the action field, we already have open URL option selected. And finally, we need to paste the copied URL into the formula field. Click Create Field, and we're all set. Now we can easily modify any record by clicking the Edit button. So let's test it. We can modify, for example, the first line item. When we click the Edit button, the form is open in a new tab, and we can make changes to any field on the form. Let's change the business name. Click Submit. Let's go back to Airtable. And as you can see, the change is quickly reflected here. If you wish to prevent certain fields from being edited, you can mark them as read-only. Let's return to the form editor. I'll make the business name and the business owner name as read-only. Click Save, and let's try to edit the record again. And as you can see, now these fields are fixed and cannot be modified. You can reverse the read-only mode at any time. And a quick side note regarding the monthly limit of submissions: each time a record is modified using the form, it is counted as a separate submission in your license plan, even if it's just a modification of an existing record in Airtable. You can always check the submission meter in your account and enable notifications on reaching the limit. Another great feature is that you can create and link multiple forms to the same Airtable database. In our example, we have created a detailed form for new vendors to register, but we could also create a shorter version of this form. For example, if we attend a trade show and want to collect just essential information about a potential supplier, we can collect their name, location, some contact info, and once we're back from the trade show, we can follow up with them. And if you need to create a document from your Airtable database, try Plumsail Documents extension. This tool allows you to auto-generate documents both in Airtable databases and interfaces. All you need to do is select a record or multiple records, click the button, and the document can be attached to the record, emailed, sent for e-signature, and there are many other options. We have a separate video that goes into detail about this process, so check it out. I hope you found this video helpful. We have one more video in the works covering more features of Plumsail Forms integration with Airtable. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for the next video. If you have any questions, let us know down in the comments. We're always happy to help, and thank you for watching. See you soon.